Now students, those boys practice hard. So we will write here
That boy.
that afterwards. That boy practice. That boy practice hard. Now A1. My neighbors are from Hawaii. My neighbors, it is plural. We have to make it singular. My neighbor
is.
My neighbor is. We are using here singular, so we have used here is. My neighbor is from Hawaii.
Ma'am, sentence.
Yes, 1 minute. Hawaii. All are writing?
Yes.
I am coming to check each and everyone's textbook and notebook. If you are writing in notebook, no matters.
Ma'am, मेरा notebook पे भी लिखना है.
Those who want to write down in notebook, they can write. And those who only want to write in textbook, they can also write in their textbook. If you are thinking that there is a sufficient place in textbook. Now see, 9th one. The villagers are simple people.
The villager is a simple people.
The villager is the villager is simple people.
Man.
We will not use here people. We will use
Man.
here man. Because people for we are using group of people. Simple man. Okay. What happened? 10th one. These medicines harm the liver.
This medicine harm the
This medicine harms the liver. Like this. Yes. You have purchased old book. Then you have to write in notebook. Where is your notebook? If you have purchased the old textbook, then you have to write it in the notebook. Then only you will understand. अगर पहले से ही रेडीमेड लिखा हुआ है तो वो समझ में नहीं आएगा. Now see question number F. Question number F, again you have to write down, you have to change the sentence from singular to plural. Yes, because there is no place. What? If you want to write, you can write. अगर तुमको ऐसे लग रहा है कि यहाँ पर मैंने करेक्ट नहीं लिखा है और मुझे अच्छे से लिखना है तो you can write in notebook. Okay? Now here, question number F. don't have two pens? Yes, no docket. Now, this television channel does not give correct news. So, what we will use here? THIS, this is given here. So, we have to make plural of it. So, we will write. What we will write?
This television.
These television channels. What we will write? These. I am directly writing the answer. Huh? These television channels channel is given here. We have to make it plural. These television channels does not is given here. We will write here do not. Do not give correct news. We will write here does not because it is plural. Does not give correct news. Second answer. The priest offered prayers for a good monsoon. If you are writing in notebook, then you have to write the question and below that you have to write down the answer. Okay. The priest offers prayers for a good monsoon. Priest is singular here, so you have to make it plural. So write down the answer. The priest. We will complete this, and remaining you have to do in homework. Priest. Priest.
Ma'am, what is priest?
Priest यानी धर्मगुरु हम बोलते हैं उसको. It is a monk who priest does the prayers. Okay. Priest offers prayer. The priest offers prayer for a good monsoon. Okay. So I would like to stop here. Remaining we will do a next period. Okay.